So this first little lecture is for homeostasis, and it's just to give you a little addition and to make you think about, with each unit, these same parameters. So homeostasis is basically maintaining a constant environment in the body. And there are 8 parameters that you need to think about. One of them is stable temperature. So for instance, if you have a fever, that's not a stable temperature. So your body is going to try to do things to reduce that fever and bring you back into a constant environment. Blood pressure. If your blood pressure goes up, again, your body is going to decrease your heart rate, for instance, decrease blood flow so that your blood pressure will go down. Concentration of gases. Concentration of gases would be things like oxygen, carbon dioxide. If any of those go out of whack, you need them to be back into a constant environment, and so your body will increase oxygen by increasing your breathing, for instance. pH, the majority of your body is at about a 7. Now, that's not true for like your stomach, for instance. Your stomach is very acidic, and the pH in your stomach is closer to 2. But the majority of your body needs to be at a very neutral pH, or in some cases a little bit towards basic. Fluid volume. This is another parameter of homeostasis that we have to pay attention to. So we need to make sure that your fluids are correct, you have enough water, all of those kinds of things. The next one is concentration of ions. So for instance, things like chloride, potassium, sodium. If you don't have enough sodium, one of the things your body's going to do is crave salty foods, for instance, to try to increase that concentration of ions. Osmolarity, and that has to do with water specifically. Your cells don't have enough water. Again, your body's going to initiate thirst in you, and you'll drink, and then that will increase your water. If you have too much water, then we're going to urinate to get rid of it. And then the last one is concentration of organic nutrients. One of the ones that most comes to mind is glucose. If we don't have enough glucose, we're going to be hungry. And so your body's going to then go and try to increase that level. So these are the 8 homeostatic parameters. As we go through each different body system, remember that the most important thing in your body is to bring back homeostasis, to be at a constant environment. Otherwise, we get sick.